it from it. Love it cross all lines. Like the feeling of how the season changing. Love is a memory. In these last days when iniquity reigns, truth love speaks. I need true love. How do you know? Well, I what you mean to me. True love. Where does it show as I live and I breathe? True love. In the valley of the shadow, I know that you'll be higher defense. I conquer death and I conquer enemy. What is love really if it only affects one aspect of life? That's like a musician who only accepts his own musical time. That's like a preacher who only respects Sunday morning and not Saturday night. That's how this soldier can come to reflect that love is more than a man and a wife. I mean, I need true love. Where do you know what I want you doing to me? True love. And does it show